Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azinuchi. Today we go talk about assault. As today like this now, we don enter crime. We go dey talk about crime. For some weeks now, na crime we go talk about. Now, wetin be assault? One thing wey people no know be say assault na civil wrong and na crime too. It depends on how the victim wan take pursue im matter. Wetin be assault? Assault or assault, anyhow wey you wan call am, assault na the oyibo this thing. If you wan call am local way, na assault, but na assault. So wetin be assault? Assault na when you strike somebody, you move somebody, you touch somebody for body, or you push somebody without that person consent. And even though you do those things wey I mention with that person consent, that consent, you use wuru obtain that consent, na assault. If you apply force on somebody without that person no know, the person no know, you apply force on that person, and that force wey you apply fit cause injury, or you actually cause injury on that person, you don commit crime of assault. Assault na crime, assault na civil wrong. Now you know sometimes some of una dey complain say when somebody assault you, if you carry am go police station, police go dey do wuruwuru. If police dey do wuruwuru, you go court sue the person, you contract a lawyer, consult a lawyer, you sue the person for assault, because assault too na civil wrong. If you assault me now as I dey like this, if you assault me, I go just carry you go court. I go carry you go court, go claim damages for assault. I will sue you for assault. So it not necessarily mean say somebody assault you say you must arrest the person. Sometimes carry that person go court, sue the person for assault. This force wey we dey talk about, na some people feel say force na, you know say the way people dey define wetin people dey see as force, e dey different depending on how you take dey see am. This force wey we dey talk about, if you use order obtain somebody consent by force. If you use electric, if you use heat, if you use anything wey be say wey go fit cause harm to somebody, wey go fit wunjure somebody, if you use am obtain consent come assault the person, you don commit crime. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch, try dey share. No dey hide the knowledge. Same way wey me I no dey hide am, I dey tell you, you too no dey hide am. When you watch, share, so that other people too go fit learn as you dey learn for free. Thank you.